Have you ever felt that twist in your tummy when you see another 4-year-old confidently reading simple words while your child is still struggling with basic letter sounds and can barely write their name? Or you've watched your little one lose focus just after a few minutes, while other children seem to be able to concentrate on activities or tasks for much longer. If you're nodding right now, I want you to know you're not alone, and more importantly, there's still time to change this story. Hi, I'm Lara Okwo. I'm a reading program director at R.E.A.D.Y. After working with over 300 plus children preparing for primary school in the last 10 years, I've seen the same concerns from ambitious parents, just like you, time and time again. You're worried your child might fall behind in literacy and numeracy from day one of reception, setting a pattern that could follow them throughout school or playing catch-up. You notice your child struggles to concentrate for more than a few minutes on any task and often needs constant adult help to finish even simple activities. You wonder if they'll develop the confidence to speak up in class, raise their hands up, make friends easily, or navigate social situations when you're not there to guide them. And deep down, you don't just want your child to get by in school. No, we don't want that. You want them to excel, to stand out, to be noticed for all the right reasons. Does this sound familiar? I understand because I've been there, both as a parent with the same worries and as an education consultant who's worked with hundreds of families just like yours. What I discovered is that the gap between children who merely cope in reception and those who thrive from day one isn't down to natural ability. It comes down to a simple, systematic approach that most parents never discover. One that transforms ordinary daily moments into powerful learning opportunity. I call it the R.E.A.D.Y method, a proven 5-step framework that's helped over 300 children start reception at the top of their class. Unlike typical nursery programs that focus only on play or overwhelming academic approaches that create resistance in children, the R.E.A.D.Y method simultaneously develops all 5 critical areas in your child. And the best part, it takes just 15 minutes a day and is designed specifically for busy parents just like you with zero teaching experience. I'm hosting a special live workshop where I'll walk you through the entire R.E.A.D.Y method step by step. Together, we'll create a clear path to developing your child in this area. This workshop isn't about theory, it's about giving you practical, proven strategies you can implement immediately, right there, to transform your child's school readiness in just weeks. The investment is just £27 and I'm limiting this workshop to just 30 parents to ensure everyone gets their specific questions answered. You can't attend live, not a problem. You receive the full recording and all materials within 24 hours. September will arrive, whether your child is ready or not. The question isn't whether you can afford this workshop, it's whether you can afford not to give your child every possible advantage as they start their school journey. So, click the button below to secure your spot now. Your child has one chance to start primary school right. Let's make sure they start at the top of their class, not just getting by, but standing out.